Well, I love a rainy night. I love a rainy night. I love to hear the thunder.
Oh, hey there. Just cleaning the roof of the van.
Oh, nice. Did you even chalk up?
No chalk needed. On the roof, trying to figure out where to put the vent. This is our current pick. This thing fits perfectly right there. I taped off the ceiling.
Dude, you know how I learned that? Is this YouTube video just told me that it's roof fan day.
Just mark the corners.
Made a hole.
Oh,
Is it time for the big boy?
yeah. Terrible drill bit.
Vacuum that shaving rack. Vacuum that shaving rack. Get it. I did it.
Yeah, you did.
Which one's a good angle for you? I guess you'll get all the different angles.
Shit, how do I like warm up with this? Just gotta like go for it. That was a good one. For some reason, like some angles it's like super smooth and some angles it's like, come on!
You made the hole.
I made the hole. Cheers.
That one, that's the one that we're using.
Can I use that?
Sweet. Alright, here we are, all the ingredients to apply this roof adapter to the hole.
What was your title when you moved to Charleston?
Quality manager. Those lives and those families, and you know, as a quality manager at Boeing, you're the last line of defense before a defect may.
This podcast is supported by Network on Broadway, starring Bryan Cranston. Ben Bradley, The New York Times, calls it the love design, insisting you own yourself the thrill of watching it work.
You don't do. I guess I mean. Oh, geez, why is it so long? It wasn't long a second ago. Wait, oh, I turned the mic off. Alright, yeah, let's check if the screws are long enough to go through the adapter and the flange and the, yeah. It's the depot. Isn't it like, it's kind of a pinkish hue tonight, I feel like. You know you're going to Home Depot too much if you can name the hues of the sign. Okie dokie, I got the adapter matched up square on the adapter, and now I'm gonna screw these pieces in with my new drill bit set. I'm very happy with it. I think my lap sealant job is okay. Here's the roof fan. Hey. our foam board insulation right here. These are 1/2-inch panels on 1/2-inch plywood, and I think it'll be perfect.
I wake up to a sunny day 'cause I love a rainy night.
MaxxFan Deluxe. Choose the model you need. We chose the MaxxFan Deluxe 7000K in white. In white lid, not smoke lid, as pictured on the box. Alright, let's see what's inside of it. Maximum van. For the maximum van. Look at that. Oh, dude, they're super heavy duty.